Welcome to Indonesia.
This is my first time traveling from Malaysia to Indonesia, and I am doing it in the local way, by ferry. As an African exploring Asia, I can't wait to see what Batam has to offer. Guys, how are you? It's another day. We are at the BTS. BTS. We are at the BTS, heading to. Our ticket is right here. Basir Gudang. Basir Gudang. Oh yeah. Gudang. So we are going there so that we can go with the ferry to Indonesia. Indonesia, here we come. Okay, we are tired, but we are moving up and down to make sure that we hit our target of the day. So let me show you how the railway station looks like. Kenya railway station in quotes. Looks like this. You can see people around. People waiting. Yes, ukifika huku India, you are allowed to say uko majuu. So we are waiting for the bus. Our bus is supposed to be here because we need to get out of this place by 10. 1 minute. We should be leaving.
Come with me, let's see the world. I will take you.
Thank you so much. Bye.
When are you back?
Maybe next week.
Next week.
We will look for you. Okay. Of course. Your number is on the ticket.
There is no ticket, my number. Papa, give me my number.
Alright. So guys, we are here. So we need to take a grab. Then we move to the ferry terminal. India Ubayau. You confirm the number plate first, then you get JB. Yeah. Hi. About Kenya. What? Running? I understand.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, but you are from Kenya, Africa.
Africa. Oh.
Yeah. But Africa is big, it's like Asia. Yeah, but now there is Kenya.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Matano.
550.
550,000. Reda. Hey. We are now in the ferry. We are going to Indonesia. Tumeongezeka by the way. We have other friends. I'll show you once we are at Indonesia. Let me show you how their ferry looks like. One thing that you're going to realize now as you go to Indonesia, where language barrier. English is a thing. Hakuna. You speak with your words like as you can tutafute translator ama tufanyaje. but the way of coming here is very simple, very easy and very simple. Let me show you their ferry. Kaivo. And the others right there, like that one is moving. Yeah. So we will be here in the next 2 hours. Hiyo time ndio tutafika kwa boda ya Indonesia. Tunaenda Batam. Batam, see you in a few.
Running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Oh guys, I'm so tired. Finally, nimefika Indonesia. Tuko huku. Let me show you the room so that I can sleep. I'm so tired. That journey was so long. From Malaysia to here, so long. Anyway, that's the bed. You can see there's some water. They give you 2. So they give you 2. They give you some shampoo. Okay. Toothbrush. There's a TV right there. In a carpet. The crosset. The bed, 2 towels. The bathroom. Wow. Na carpet sana. Kachoo ni kale kama Kikuyu. From here you can be able to see outside. This is also the other part of the hotel. Can I say goodnight from here? See you on the next video about Indonesia, Batam. Goodbye. Make sure that you subscribe. Good morning guys, all the way from Indonesia, Batam. We are here now from Singapore. This is where we are. Okay, we thank God that we arrived safely. Na sasa tumefika. Now I would like to give you some tips on how you can move around from Singapore or from Malaysia. You can go to, let me talk about Malaysia. From Malaysia you go to Batam Ferry Terminal. You pay and then you're going to use the ferry. It's around 2 hours for you to be in Indonesia. For the entry at the immigration, it's very simple. You just pay visa on arrival for Kenyans and you pay around 2,500 Kenya shillings, and then you get into, they give you the permission, they give you the visa on arrival. That's what they did, and it was so easy. But it was one of the countries that we got in, and it was simple, easy, very easy, and we really thank God. And we really thank God for this moment, for us to be here. Yeah, so I have people here. Say hi.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Hello. Good morning from Indonesia.
Yeah, we're in Indonesia.
Hi, cousin.
Hi, cousin.
Hi,
Oh, hi, cousins.
Hi, cousin.
Hamjapata chai?
No, that's food.
Food only. Hey.
I don't know nasi what.
Wase tunatafuta kachai.
Yeah, no, there's no lemon. Nasi ayam.
Na hapa?
Hapa kuna mayai. Naona mayai pale.
You're looking for tea. Oh, they are not open. Hi.
Hi.
Do you have tea? Coffee. You have? Thank you. You can sit? Okay.
We know that.
We sit where we are 5. 5 people.
5.
Yes, 5. Kujeni tuone. You have your menu? Menu, yeah. Menu. Where we can see coffee, tea.
Coffee.
Sit. Okay. Guys, once you come here, you will realize one thing. Language barrier is a thing. Oh. What a translator. Vuta moja. They have coffee.
Coffee with what?
Huh?
Hizi coffee za kupakiwa ama coffee ya chai?
Toria hii. Excuse me, sir. A minute. Come.
Hot coffee? Menu?
Hi. Msikuwa mnaturingia sijui kizungu. Mwaka huko.
You got Indonesian food. Local food. Chinese food.
Chinese. Not Chinese. You know Chinese food? Let's continue.
Did you know that Java is one of Indonesia's main islands and it has been famous for coffee production since the 17th century? The Dutch colonialists first introduced coffee to Indonesia through Java, and it has become one of the world's earliest and most important coffee exporters. Because of this, coffee from the island became known simply as Java coffee. Indonesia is made up of 17,000 islands, the famous Bali, Java, Sumatra, and Borneo. More than 7,000 languages are spoken, but Bahasa Indonesia is national language. We want to cross the road. Hey, huku gari zinaenda mbio, but hapa kwenye tuko, there is a zebra crossing. Yeah, that's what we want to do. It's not far from where we were. Thank God, hata tumewalk, tutachukua Grab. So why should we waste money? Keep it right here, cause on the next episode, I am diving deep into Batam, Indonesia, experiencing it through the eyes of an African for the very first time. You don't want to miss this. As we do this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Got to read out the traveler.